Have you ever wanted to make a bowl? Have you ever wanted to make a top? My name is Barbara, and I'm with the Woodworkers of Central New York, and we do woodworking, scrolling, carving, turning. Woodworking, most people can do. You never know what you can come up with, and you can learn easily. We have kids from age 7 and up turning, and that's the great thing, is it's a skill you'll never lose, and you'll think creatively. The final process to see what it all looks like is sort of my favorite area, although making all the pieces and parts to make it go together is also fun. Visit the Woodworkers of Central New York at the Maker Faire.